In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Spaces on X, formerly Twitter, so you can start your own live audio conversation in just a few steps. Spaces is a great feature if you want to talk to your audience in real time, host discussions, or join live conversations happening on the platform. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. If you don't see Spaces right away, don't worry, because X often places it under the More option. Click More to open the expanded menu. This is where you'll find additional features that aren't shown in the main sidebar. After clicking More, look for the option that says Create Your Space. In some accounts, you may also see a dedicated Spaces tab. If you see that tab, you can go directly there instead. Either way, you're looking for the place where X lets you start a live audio space. Now click Create Your Space. This will open the setup screen for your new space. Here, you'll be asked to enter a title. Make sure your title is clear, simple, and relevant to the topic you want to discuss, because that helps people understand what your space is about before they join. Next, select the topics that best match your space. Choosing the right topics can help X categorize your space and make it easier for the right audience to discover it. Think of this as a way to improve visibility and attract listeners who are already interested in your subject. Once your title and topics are set, take one final look to make sure everything looks good. If you're ready to go live, click Start Now. That will instantly launch your space and make it available for people to join and listen. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Spaces on x.com and started your own live audio session. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you can use it to connect with your audience, share ideas, and build engagement in a more interactive way. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.